Are you looking for the best compact projectors? In this video we will look at some of the best compact projectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. LG CineBeam Q Projector. The best portable projector we've tested is the LG CineBeam Q. It's an ultra-compact 4K, pixel shift, RGB laser projector that weighs about 3.3 pounds, and the rotating metal handle doubles as both a carry handle and a stand, so it's genuinely easy to toss in a bag and set up anywhere. There's no integrated battery, but it can run from USB-C power delivery, 65W or higher, so a compatible power bank is enough to use it away from an outlet. It also has quick autofocus, auto keystone, and auto screen adjustment, so you can drop it on a table, tilt the handle, and get a squared-up image in seconds. It runs WebOS with full app support, including Netflix, plus AirPlay 2/Screen Share, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, making it easy to cast from your phone or pair a wireless speaker. Like most ultra-portables, it's not very bright overall, but it's reasonably bright for its size and looks good in a fully dark room. Its biggest strengths are deep contrast for this class and a very wide color gamut, so movies and shows look rich once the lights are off. Out-of-the-box accuracy is subpar, but it calibrates extremely well. It accepts 4K at 60 Hz and supports HDR10 and HLG, although HDR highlights won't exactly blast at this brightness. Gaming support is limited to 60 Hz with high input lag, so it's fine only for slow, turn-based single-player titles. There's a single HDMI port with ARC plus USB-C, and a small built-in speaker that works in a pinch. For better sound, use a Bluetooth speaker or a soundbar over ARC. Overall, if you want the best combination of portability, smart features, and image quality, the LG CineBeam Q is our top portable pick. Number 2. XGIMI Halo Plus Projector. If you're looking for a budget-friendly portable projector with a built-in battery, the XGIMI Halo Plus is our pick. It's a compact 1080p LED unit weighing about 3.7 pounds, so it's easy to throw in a backpack, and the integrated battery is rated for up to 2.5 hours of video, which is enough to watch most movies without needing an outlet. XGIMI's auto setup tools help a lot on the go. Autofocus, auto keystone, intelligent screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance quickly clean up the image when you move it. It runs Android TV with Chromecast and AirScreen, plus Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0. Making it simple to stream over a hotspot or pair to a Bluetooth speaker. In terms of picture quality, it's dim by living room standards but brighter than many other battery-powered projectors, and it looks good on a modest screen in a fully dark room. Contrast is okay for this class, and it supports HDR10 and HLG, though, as usual, it's not bright enough to fully exploit HDR. Color accuracy out of the box is rather poor, so picky viewers may want to tweak the picture modes. For gaming, it accepts 4K at 60 Hz, downscaled to 1080p, with relatively high input lag, making it better suited to casual single-player games. Still, it's much more responsive than the LG CineBeam Q above, making this XGIMI a better pick for those looking for a portable gaming unit. Connectivity is simple: one HDMI with ARC, a USB port for direct media, a headphone jack, and 5W Harman/Kardon speakers. Overall, the Halo Plus is the best choice if you specifically want a battery-powered portable projector at a budget-friendly price. Number 3. XGIMI MoGo 2 Projector. Are you looking for a cheaper portable projector that still offers acceptable image quality? Check out this XGIMI MoGo 2, the best mini projector that won't cost you an arm and a leg. It's a very small projector that weighs only 2.4 pounds, so you can seamlessly take it with you on a trip. It doesn't have an internal battery like this XGIMI Halo Plus, but it supports external charging via power banks through its USB-C port. Just make sure your power bank can deliver at least 65 watts of power via a USB-C connection. It has many image correction features: full auto keystone, autofocus, intelligent screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance. It has the Android TV 11 smart interface, Chromecast and AirScreen support, and Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 capabilities to round out the package. For gaming, it's a 60 Hz, 720p class portable with relatively high input lag and no 120 Hz support. It'll do for slow games in a pinch, but gamers might want to look for something else. Unfortunately, the projector is very dim. You need to turn off all the lights to get a pleasant image, and even then, it's not exactly the most vibrant viewing experience possible. Its contrast is mediocre but good enough to provide a passable dark room viewing experience. It also has a wide color gamut and HDR support, but isn't bright enough to take advantage of them. Unlike the other picks, this unit only projects a 720p image, so it doesn't look as sharp. Ultimately, you get this projector because of its price, not its image quality. If budget and portability are what you're after, it's hard to beat this model. Number 4. Epson EpiqVision Flex COW01 Projector. If you're seeking a bright yet still portable friendly projector, the Epson EpiqVision Flex COW01 is the best choice on this list. Portable projectors tend to be rather dim, but that isn't the case with this Epson model, as it's extremely bright and projects vibrant images even when used in bright rooms, such as a bright office or loft. It projects 1280 by 800 resolution images, which is a 16:10 aspect ratio, and is a better format for office work than what we typically find on projectors. Still, in a pinch, this projector performs well for movie viewing, especially in brighter rooms, as its contrast just isn't good enough to provide a truly immersive viewing experience in dark rooms. For gaming, it's limited to 60 Hz at its 1280 by 800 resolution and has noticeable input lag, so it's fine for casual play but not ideal for fast or competitive titles. On the plus side, the 1280 by 800 resolution matches the Stream Deck's native output, making it a seamless connect and project scenario. Even though it isn't as small as the products above, and it requires a power outlet due to its lack of an internal battery, it's still quite portable due to its small size and light weight. It doesn't feature auto keystone correction and autofocusing, so manual adjustments are necessary to correct any geometry issues. It also lacks a smart OS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, necessitating an external streaming dongle to access any streaming apps or wireless features. Ultimately, it's a great value for anyone looking for a small yet bright projector, as it's far brighter than any other projector on this list, even if it's not as portable overall. Number 5. NexiGo PJ40 Projector. The NexiGo PJ40 Gen 3 is a great choice if you're looking for a somewhat portable projector that offers better performance than most compact models. While it doesn't have an integrated battery and is larger than the ultra-portable options above, it's still small enough to carry around from room to room, making it a versatile choice for movie nights, gaming, or casual presentations. The inclusion of vertical auto keystone correction adds a touch of convenience, letting you set it up quickly without fuss. The similarly sized Epson EpiqVision Flex COW01 is far brighter, making it better for well-lit spaces, but its poor contrast can result in a washed-out image in darker environments. This is where the NexiGo shines. Its excellent contrast makes it a much better option for dark rooms, delivering more vivid and immersive visuals, even if its colors are muted overall. For gaming, just like with every other pick on this rack, there's no 120 Hz option, and input lag is fairly high, so unless you just want something for slow single-player titles, this isn't the best option. This projector also packs many features, including Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi, Miracast and Apple AirPlay support, 2 HDMI ports, one with ARC, a game mode, and HDR10. While its Android TV interface is pretty basic, as it doesn't include any apps, adding a Chromecast or Fire TV stick makes it a complete streaming solution. If you're looking for a projector that balances portability with impressive performance for darker spaces, this one is a fantastic value and is a better pick for dark rooms than similarly sized alternatives.